This video demo of Cuban Sun from 2021 is good to illustrate a few things about Cuban Sun and Casino. The demo dance is 5 minutes long. The first 4 minutes are good, even excellent. The last minute, 20% of the dance is a disaster. Before I explain why, let me say a few things about Cuban Sun in general. The way we look at Cuban Sun today is mostly formed by contemporary demo dances like this one, and show dancing with focus on entertainment, stunts and complex choreographies. But the look and feel of a one-couple performance show alone on a big dance floor has most often very little in common with how Sun was once danced as a social dance more than 50 years ago, before the arrival of Casino, or with how it should be danced today. The dance demo of Luis Duarte from Portugal and Vero is no exception. Very showy and theatrical. There is no audience, but we can feel it is there. This dance is not private, it is to be seen. This putting on a show, so to speak, has almost become the signature look and feel of Sun as it is most often presented today. What impresses me the most in the demo dance of Luis and Vero is that there is a good balance between the lead and the follow in the first 4 minutes of the dance. They are equal partners, they are in it together. Especially, I like that the tornillo figures of the lead and of the follow are equally difficult and interesting in the first 4 minutes of the dance. This is rare, unfortunately. And now we come to the last minute disaster. Luis Duarte ends up like nothing but a Cuban macho lookalike. For the last minute of a 5-minute dance, Luis Duarte outdances his follow, reducing her to an assistant, a dance prop, an excuse for own self-promotion. The leader is hijacking the dance for himself. His macho tour de force is technically excellent, but a bad model for how to dance Sun. The lead ends up with the biggest applause. The follow is already forgotten. She was only allowed to participate in the baseline of the dance, but the highlights and culmination, the grand finale, was for the lead only. This is not what followers want. They want to be true partners. If Sun and Casino is mainly a dance for leaders, with the followers mostly as helpers and assistants, the good followers move on to other, more follow-centric dance styles, where they are equal and fully appreciated, like jazz and swing dances, Lindy Hop, West Coast swing, tango, Brazilian souk, bachata sensual, and even X-body salsa, etc. Cuban social dances, Sun and Casino, have a terrible reputation of being the most lead-heavy of all social dance styles, often with very little in them for the followers. The challenge of Sun as a modern dance is that because of its macho past, there is a back catalogue of fantastic things the lead can do, but there isn't much of a repertoire for the follow. We count on good dancers like Duarte and Vero to make Sun more follow-centric. The first 4 minutes of this demo was promising, but they failed at the end completely. A social dance should be about how good a lead can make the follow dance with him on equal terms, with main focus on the follow. Thanks for watching. See you on the dance floor.